Grammar practice, the present simple tense and the present continuous tense. Statement 1. In this practice, we are going to practice when and how to use the present simple tense and when and how to use the present continuous tense. For the present simple tense, we use it to talk about our habits or something that is true. For example, John eats pizza every Monday. That is John's habits, because he does it every Monday. John is a boy. That's the truth. So we use the simple present tense to talk about habits and truth. As for the present continuous tense, we use it to talk about something that is happening right now, like I'm talking right now. That's something I'm doing right now. It should be written in the present continuous tense. Let's take a look at question number 1. John and Peter always to school together on the weekdays. The same, we look for the time markers. The time marker in the sentence is on the weekdays. You can see the S at the end of weekdays. And what's weekdays? Weekdays means from Mondays to Fridays. Okay, so on the weekdays, we can see that he does that they do it every weekday. So from Monday to Friday this week, next week from Monday to Friday, so it is their habit. And there is another time marker that can tell you that it is the present simple tense. It's right over here. It says always. So we can see both time markers shows that this sentence is about John and Peter's habit. So we use the simple present tense. John and Peter always go to school together on the weekdays. Why go? Why not goes? Because John and Peter, there are two people in the sentence, so we don't need to add s at the end of the verb. Next one. They often their bikes to school, but they to school today. Alright, now look at that. The time marker for the first half of the sentence is the word often. Often also indicates that it is a habit. So they often ride, present simple tense, their bikes to school, but today they're doing something different from what they often do, what they normally do. So this sentence is something that they are doing right now, so we should use the present continuous tense, but they, two people, the beaver are walking. So, but they are walking to school today. So the answer for question number 1 is, John and Peter always go to school together on the weekdays. They often ride their bikes to school, but they are walking to school today. Let's take a look at question number 2. Mary usually at home at night. The time marker of the sentence is the word usually. Seeing usually means this sentence should be written in the present simple tense. And you can see that the subject of the sentence is Mary. Mary is a third person singular pronoun. Therefore, we need to add s after the verb, cooks. So the answer is, Mary usually cooks at home at night. She usually busy on Tuesdays. So she never on Tuesdays. The first half of the sentence, you do not have a verb to go with the block, to go with the blank. But for this, you know it should be a be verb. Now you can see the time marker is always. Always means it is Mary's habit. So we need to use a present simple tense be verb. For Mary, the be verb is. So we say she is always busy on Tuesday. So she never on Tuesday. The time marker of the second half of the sentence is the word never. Seeing never means that it is Mary's habit, one of Mary's habits. So she never, third person singular again, cooks on Tuesdays. So the answer for question number 2 is, Mary usually cooks at home at night. She is always busy on Tuesday, so she never cooks on Tuesday. Question number 3. Lin with her boyfriend in the restaurant now. The time marker of the sentence is now. It means it should be written in the present continuous tense. Lin, the be verb that goes with Lin is. Dance plus ing, but remember to drop e. So dancing, dancing, dancing. So Lin is dancing with her boyfriend in the restaurant now. Let's continue with question number 2. They a great time together. Well, seeing the first half of question number 3, Lin is dancing with her boyfriend in a restaurant now. So although you cannot see the time marker of the second sentence in question number 3, but you know they're talking about the same thing. So she's dancing with her boyfriend now, so they are having, because they are dancing and they're having a great time together right now. So it's also present continuous tense. But this time, the subject of the sentence is they. So the be verb should be are rather than is. So the answer of question number 3 is Lin is dancing with her boyfriend in a restaurant now. They are having a great time together. Let's take a look at question number 4. Question number 4. Timmy sometimes movies with his parents. The time marker of question number 4 is sometimes. It indicates it is talking about Timmy's habit. Alright, so it should be in present simple tense. The subject is Timmy, third person singular pronoun, so the verb should be watches. Okay, remember, words that we need es at the end are words that end with ch, sh, s, x, and o. Words that end with these endings, we have to add es at the end. So the sentence is, Timmy sometimes watches movies with his parents. They usually a bus to the movie theater. Okay, the time marker of this one is usually. Again, seeing usually means it should be written in the present simple tense. The subject is they, because it includes Timmy and his parents, so no need for s, just take. They usually take a bus to the movie theater. After the movie, they sometimes dinner together. Okay, the time marker of this one is sometimes. Again, habit. So, subject is they. No need for s. The answer is have. So the answer for question number 4 is Timmy sometimes watches movie with his parents. They usually take a bus to the movie theater. After the movie, they sometimes have dinner together. Alright, let's take a look at question number 5. Kay and Jane, good friends. Although you cannot see the verb for the blank, but you know for the sentence we need a be verb. Now, Kay and Jane, 2 people, so the be verb that goes with them is are. So we say Kay and Jane are good friends. They always together during recess. What recess is the time in between classes where you take maybe 10 minutes off or maybe 5 minutes off to drink some water, to go to the bathroom, or to play with your friend. That's the recess. Alright, the time marker for this one is always. When you see always, you know it is about habit. So they always, you see, they, it's a plural pronoun, no need for s, so the answer is simply play. They always play together during recess. They sometimes on the jungle gyms and sometimes they on the track. Now, the time marker before and after and are the same. Sometimes and sometimes. So you know the sentence is about their habits, Kay and Jane's habit. So they sometimes climb on the jungle gym and sometimes they run on the track. But today they English in the classroom. They sometimes climb on jungle gyms and they sometimes run on the track, but today they're doing something different. This is something that they're doing at the moment of speaking. They're doing it right now. So the sentence should be written in the present continuous tense. The be verb that goes with they is are, and we need ing for study, so are studying. Remember, no dropping y for ing, so we say, but today they are studying English in the classroom. So the answer for number 5 is Kate and Jane are good friends. They always play together during recess. They sometimes climb on the jungle gym and sometimes they run on a track, but today they are studying English in the classroom. Thank you for watching this.